Welcome back to Kivden Hosanabag Vishakhapatnam grammar classes. Today's class is about future continuous tense in future tense. So first we will learn what is future tense. Future tense means nothing but it is a tense that generally makes an action or event as not having happened yet but expected to happen in the future. That is called future tense. Simply we can say that future tense means an action that will be expected to happen in the future. That is called future tense. Now this future tense is further divided into four kinds: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. These are the four subtense. These are the four kinds of future tense. Now we'll see what is future continuous tense, because already in the previous video we have learned about simple future. Now I'll explain you future continuous tense, its structure and usage. We'll see what is future continuous tense now. This future continuous tense, it is used to express an action that will be in progress at the given time in future. The action that will be in progress at the given time in future is called future continuous tense. Progress will be in progress means continuous it is. Now see here, look here. This is an action started in the future and this is the given time. So an action that will be in progress at a given time in the future. It will not come to an end before the given time in the future. It will be continued. It will be in progress at the given time in the future. That is called future continuous tense. For example, he will be boarding his flight this time tomorrow. Tomorrow by this time, by the same time tomorrow, he will be boarding his flight. He will be, the work will be in progress by this time tomorrow. He will be boarding his flight this time tomorrow. Means the action will be in progress at a given time in the future. That is called future continuous tense. Now we'll see the structure. What is the structure? Structure means subject plus will or shall, helping verbs. Will is used with he, she, it, they. Shall is used with I, we. Plus BB plus V1 plus ing form means V4 plus object. This is the structure of future continuous tense. Continuous tense means you will have V4 in the structure. So subject plus will or shall plus be plus V4 plus object, because it is continuous. It is future continuous, so that will or shall plus be plus V1 plus ing form. Now we'll see one more example. I will be waiting, according to the structure. See here, I will be waiting for you tomorrow at 5 p.m. For you tomorrow at 5 p.m. At a particular given time in the future, the work waiting for you will be in progress, will be continuing. So this is the structure of future continuous tense. As usually we will learn the three kinds of sentences. They are affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. First we will see affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences means according to the structure. For example, he will be waiting for you at the station. He or she takes, he, she, it, they takes the helping verb will. Plus continuation means be plus V4. In future continuous, be plus V4 comes. He will be waiting. He will be waiting for you at the station. Another example, I shall be meeting him tomorrow by this time. I shall be meeting, the work will be in progress. Now these are the examples of affirmative sentences, means according to the structure. Now we'll see the negative sentences. Negative sentences means nothing but not is added to the affirmative sentences. Say the subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus V4 plus object. Not is added in between helping verb and be. See the example. They will not be coming for the wedding. They will not be coming for the wedding. I shall not be discussing this problem with him. In future, I shall not be discussing this work. The discussion will not be in progress in the future. that is called negative sentences. Not is added in between helping verb and be. Now interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means already I have told you that questions. For these interrogative sentences, often the helping verb comes at the beginning of the sentence and followed by the subject. See, for example, will she be holding the phone for so long? Question mark at the end. Will she be holding the phone for so long? Yes. Another one. Will you be waiting for me? Will you be waiting for me tomorrow? Or else by this time tomorrow? So these are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means questions. Now usually we will see, we'll learn the structure of future continuous tense and the three kinds of sentences. Now we'll see the uses of future continuous tense. See the first uses. An action which will occur in the normal course, means normally in future. The action which will occur will be in future continuous tense. For example, I will be meeting him tomorrow. Generally, normal course it is. So, these will be in future continuous tense. Now, we'll see another uses. Yes. Action that will be in progress at a given time in the future. Already I have explained you. The same has been given here also. Action that will be in progress at a given time in the future. For example, at this time tomorrow we will be attending the party. Tomorrow in the future. At this time, I am talking now. By this time, at this time, tomorrow, I am talking about tomorrow. At this time, we will be attending the party. The action will be in progress at this time tomorrow. This will be in future continuous tense. Here I have given you some keywords to identify this tense. The keywords are tomorrow, tomorrow at this time, tomorrow plus time, tomorrow 7 o'clock, tomorrow 10 o'clock, like that. These are the keywords to identify future continuous tense. This is about future continuous. Once I will show you the structure of future continuous tense. Structure is subject plus will or shall plus be plus V1 plus ing form plus object. And the usage is, the first one is an action which will occur in normal course. Second one is action that will be in progress at a given time in future. This is about future continuous tense. In the next video, I will explain you future perfect. Thank you.